my god, it's recording. Yeah. Hi everybody. Oh my god. Some friends of me, YouTube friends, asked me to do this. They asked me to make a vlog. But I have no idea for a vlog. I don't know what I can say. And another problem is my my bad English. I only speak a little basic English. So I have a problem what I can say. Some YouTube friends asked me, maybe you can talk about your family or your YouTube friends, or some hobbies and something, whatever, I don't know. I hated to do this, but yeah, what I can say, yeah, the English is my problem. Of course, maybe YouTube is a good way to learn better English, to speak better English. Yes, I learned something in the last month. I have some good English teachers on YouTube. Thank you, Phil and JB. Yeah, I learned some very good words. No, not really good words, bad words, but for a German guy it sounds a little funny. God damn it, fuck damn it, poop, crap, holy shit. And I know that's not good words, but I learned. My favorite word in English is weird. I love this word. Yeah, but what I can say, I have no ideas. Maybe one day I will talk about family, YouTube, hobbies, but today I have no ideas. I think I have an idea for next week, Friday, October the 10th. Oh, I hate TH. And yeah, one YouTube friend asked me, do you have a animal? No, not really. The real friend said, don't show this, but there is an animal. I got a bird my last holiday. Yeah, not really a bird. I think I must show this. Yeah, this is my animal, and maybe you can see the black hole. And this black hole is a problem because you know what I mean. I hate this bird. And yeah, I think it's enough for today. It's my first vlog. It's not a good vlog, I know. Maybe a little stupid, but I must go. I wish you a nice day. But now I have to kill this